Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Ameritas, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Ameritas, start by visiting their official website. Look for the Contact Us section, typically found at the bottom of the homepage. Click on the Contact Us link to access multiple communication options. You will see various ways to reach their customer service team. For immediate assistance, consider using the live chat feature, if available. Alternatively, you can find their customer service phone number listed there. Note their operating hours to ensure you contact them when they are available. If you prefer written communication, check for an email address provided on their site. Compose a clear and concise message detailing your inquiry. Ensure you include your contact information for easier follow-up. If you have an account, you may want to log in for specific support options. Once logged in, look for the Help or Support section. Explore the FAQs for quick answers to common questions. If your issue isn't resolved, submit a ticket through their support portal. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for updates from their support team. For social media engagement, visit Ameritas' official profiles on platforms like Facebook or Twitter. You can send them direct messages or post your queries publicly for response. Follow them to stay updated on services and news. For personal assistance, consider visiting a local Ameritas office. Check the website for office locations near you. Make an appointment to ensure dedicated time with a representative. Prepare any necessary documents or information relevant to your inquiry. This will enhance the efficiency of your visit. Once you have connected with Ameritas, keep a record of your communication for future reference. This documentation will be useful for follow-ups or ongoing discussions. By following these steps, you'll establish a clear line of communication with Ameritas. Stay patient as you await their responses, as processing times may vary. You are now ready to connect with Ameritas effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more